Hi everyone! Welcome to DIY Home Tips. Today, I'll be sharing 13 beautiful napkin folding designs that can help elevate your table setting. Each design has its own unique look and personality, so let's explore them together. Have you ever noticed how something as simple as a folded napkin can completely change the look of a dining table? Most people focus on the food, the plates, or the decorations, but sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest difference. A beautifully folded napkin can instantly make a table feel more elegant, welcoming, and thoughtfully prepared. Whether you're hosting a family dinner, celebrating a birthday, preparing for a holiday gathering, organizing a wedding reception, or simply enjoying a quiet meal at home, a creative napkin fold can add a special touch without costing anything extra. One of the things I enjoy most about napkin folding is that it doesn't require expensive materials or special equipment. You don't need professional decorating skills, expensive centerpieces, or complicated tools. All you need is a simple napkin, a little patience, and a bit of creativity. With just a few folds, a flat piece of fabric or paper can become something that looks like a flower, a butterfly, a fan, a crown, or even a decorative centerpiece. It's amazing how a simple item that most people use every day can become a beautiful part of the table's design. Many restaurants, hotels, banquet halls, and event planners use napkin folding techniques because they understand that presentation matters. Before guests even taste the food, they notice the atmosphere. They notice the table, the decorations, and the overall appearance of the dining space. A well-prepared table creates a positive first impression and helps make the entire dining experience feel more enjoyable and special. The good news is that you don't need professional training to create beautiful napkin designs. Most styles can be learned with practice, and after making them a few times, the folding process becomes much easier. In fact, many popular designs are based on a few simple folding techniques. Once you understand those basics, you'll be surprised at how many creative variations you can create on your own. Another reason people enjoy napkin folding is that it allows them to express creativity. There are countless styles and variations available, ranging from simple, beginner-friendly designs to more detailed and decorative creations. Some designs look elegant and formal, while others feel playful, modern, and fun. Depending on the occasion, you can choose a fold that matches the atmosphere you want to create. For example, soft floral designs are perfect for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, and family celebrations. Their gentle shapes add warmth and beauty to the table. More structured folds can create a sophisticated look for formal dinners, business events, and special occasions where a polished appearance is important. Simple designs work wonderfully for everyday meals when you want to make the table look neat, organized, and inviting without spending a lot of time preparing. One thing I've learned over the years is that presentation doesn't always require spending more money. Often, it's simply about using what you already have in a creative way. A folded napkin is a perfect example of this idea. The same napkin can look completely different depending on how it's folded and displayed. A basic square napkin can become a stunning decorative feature with only a few carefully placed folds. It's a small detail, but small details often leave lasting impressions. When guests arrive and see a beautifully arranged table, they immediately recognize the effort and care that went into preparing the meal. Even before the food is served, the table itself helps create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Napkin folding can also be a relaxing and enjoyable activity. Many people enjoy crafts and creative hobbies because they provide an opportunity to slow down, focus, and enjoy the process of making something beautiful. Napkin folding offers that same experience. The process of folding, adjusting, shaping, perfecting each design can be surprisingly satisfying. It's a simple creative project that produces an immediate and visible result. Another interesting thing about napkin folding is its versatility. You can use cloth napkins for a more elegant and luxurious appearance, or paper napkins for convenience and affordability. Both options can produce beautiful results. The style you choose often depends on the occasion, your personal preferences, and the amount of time you have available. For larger gatherings, simple designs may be the most practical because they can be prepared quickly and efficiently. For weddings, holiday celebrations, and formal events, more detailed folds can add a unique decorative element that enhances the overall table presentation. Over time, you may even develop your own favorite styles and techniques. Some people enjoy symmetrical designs with clean lines and balanced shapes. Others prefer artistic folds that resemble flowers, leaves, birds, or other decorative forms. There is no single right way to fold a napkin. The goal is simply to create something that enhances the dining experience and reflects your personal style. Another benefit of napkin folding is that it encourages creativity without requiring expensive supplies. Many decorative hobbies can become costly over time, but napkin folding uses materials that most people already have at home. This makes it a budget-friendly way to add beauty and personality to everyday meals. Even children can participate and learn simple folding techniques. It can become a fun family activity, especially when preparing for holidays, birthdays, and special gatherings. As you continue watching these different designs, you may notice that each one creates a different feeling and visual effect. Some appear elegant and graceful. Others look modern and stylish. Some resemble flowers or natural shapes, while others focus on clean lines, symmetry, and geometric patterns. Each design has its own unique charm and character. The wonderful thing is that you can experiment freely and discover which styles you enjoy the most. There are no strict rules. Creativity allows you to adapt and personalize each design according to your taste. Sometimes a design that looks complicated is actually quite simple once you understand the basic folding process. Practice is the key. The more you fold, the easier it becomes. Over time, your hands naturally remember the steps, and you'll be able to create beautiful designs more quickly and confidently. Napkin folding is also a reminder that creativity can be found in ordinary objects. We often overlook everyday items because we see them so frequently. Yet with a little imagination, even a simple napkin can become part of a beautiful table display. It's proof that small changes can make a big impact. A thoughtfully folded napkin may seem like a minor detail, but it can help transform an ordinary meal into a more enjoyable and memorable experience for everyone at the table. As we come to the end of this collection, I hope these ideas have inspired you to try napkin folding for yourself. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion, decorating for a celebration, welcoming guests into your home, or simply looking for a creative way to enhance your dining table, these designs can help add personality, elegance, and charm to any meal. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed these napkin folding ideas, I'd love to know which design was your favorite. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments and let me know which fold you would like to try first. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more creative DIY ideas, home decorating tips, craft inspiration, and simple projects that anyone can enjoy. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring new ideas, and remember that even the smallest details can make something ordinary feel truly special. See you in the next video.